Okay, here in this question we have a number 214.35 that is decimal in nature because its base is 10 into a number system whose base is 16. So any number system whose base is 16 is known as hexadecimal number system. Okay, in hexadecimal number system there are total 16 elements, that is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is represented by A, 11 is represented by B, 12 is represented by C, 13 is represented by D, 14 is represented by E, and 15 is represented by F. Okay, so in hexadecimal number system total 16 elements are there, that is started from 0 and ends in F. Okay, so as we discussed in our previous example, when we convert any decimal number system into other number system, so at that time we will divide integer part with the base of other number system. Here the number system is hexadecimal, that's why we will divide the integer part 214 with the 16. So let's start our procedure. Here we make a table and write the integer part 214 and we will divide it with 16. So 1 times and 3 times. Okay, what we will get in remainder? We will get remainder as 6. Okay, so in hexadecimal number system this 13 is represented with alphabet D. Okay, and any integer part is represented with other number system in downward to upward approach. Okay, so our final answer will be, our final answer of integer conversion is 214. In hexadecimal number system it can be represented at D6 with the base of 16. Okay, now we are moving towards the fractional part. So here fractional part is 0.35. so it will multiplied with 16. So after multiplication what we will get? We will get here 5.60. Same as our previous example, we will extract the integer part. So what we will get here? 0.60. Again multiplied it with 16. So what we will get here? We will get here 9.60. Again extract the real part. So what we will get? We will again get 9.60. And similar to the above step we will get 9.60 again. So this process starts continuously, that's why we will terminate here, that's why we will terminate the answer here, and we can write our final answer, that is 0.35, that is decimal number with 599, and it will continuously reflect 99999. Okay, and its base is 16 because fractional part we will write upward to downward approach. Okay, so after the joint of integer and fractional part we can write 214.35, that is decimal, and D6.599 and so on. This one is hexadecimal. So this one is our final answer. Okay, thank you so much.